Can you stand up again? Up. Yeah. Show Mama. Cleo, show Mama. Can you stand up? Up. Up. Yeah. Stand up. Up, up. Yeah. You were just doing it all by yourself. Stand up, Cleo. Up. You stood up and you even moved your leg to take a step. Do it again. Up, up. Yeah, show Mama. Hold on. Well, she was standing up by herself in the middle of the living room, and I was trying to get her to do it again. Let's see. Stand up, Cleo. Up. Up, up. You can do it. Can you stand up? Up. Yeah, you can do it. Up. Cleo, stand up. Can you do it? Up. Up. Close. You have to get on your feet. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Okay. That's right. That's right. Good job. Up. Oh, that's hard work, honey. That's hard work. We'll try and capture it next time.
How do we make it shorter?
I'll show you. Hold on just a second.